Good morning, Painted Stone Panthers. It is Wednesday. Hopefully today will be much brighter outside. It was kind of a gloomy day yesterday. It's kind of funny. I was sitting here thinking about extreme weather and how we've been learning extreme weather, and the weather's been going back and forth between sunny to cloudy, rainy to 80 degrees. Not extreme weather, but still the weather patterns have been kind of up and down lately. So today you're going to be learning about hurricanes. Now, somebody asked me last year, they said, can a hurricane affect us here in Kentucky? Of course, you have to live on a coastline to really get the effects of a hurricane. But sometimes when there's a hurricane that hits, say, let's say it hits Florida and it brings in all that rain, we will eventually get some of that rain. It won't be a hurricane type rain, but we will get some of the rain. So today you're going to read about hurricanes and tropical storms, and then you're just going to answer the 4 questions just like you have been. Let's go ahead and see. Let's look at reading for today. Reading. We are still looking at those prefixes, suffixes, root words, all those things that can help us come up with clues to figure out words we do not understand in a piece of text. Today you're going to be reading about fossils. Just really cool because remember, we learned about fossils earlier in the school year. And then you're going to answer the questions. When you're finished, just like always, you can either go to the exit slip or you can make that Google document and you can share with me. I just want to pause for a minute and say how proud of you I am that you've been doing your work and you've kept it going. You haven't given up on yourself or your learning. You just hung in there and you've been determined and you have shown great integrity. And I am so proud of you. Keep it going. We just have this week and next week of school, and then we'll see each other again next August. But until then, I want you to know how proud I am of you. All right, let's go ahead and look at math. Math is a little fun today. It says, I can show that I comprehend the steps to a math equation by teaching the steps to solve an equation. Okay, let's look at a couple things here. Number one, I want you to look at the word comprehend. That word means that you fully understand something. You understand how to do something so well that you can do it many different ways and you can actually teach it to someone else. And then let's look at this word equation. And now equation. So let's say I put 2 plus, and you all know I'm not really good at writing on this. Sorry, equals 4. Okay. This is an equation. If I look at the 2 plus 2, I know that's 4, correct? Here's my equal sign. The amount over here is 4, and the amount over here is 4. It's equal on both sides. So an equation, basically, what I'm trying to say, and I feel like I'm making it much harder than it needs to be, an equation is just a math problem with an answer. That's simple. That's an equation. And today, you're going to be the teacher. So it says here you can pick any type: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You can use decimals. Anything you've learned this year. You might even want to go back and teach something about angles, using protractors or different types of angles. You might want to teach area or perimeter. You might want to teach place value. Anything that you want to teach. You're the teacher today. So what you're going to do is you're going to explain any 4 problems to anyone. So they can all be geometry, or they can all be addition. It's whatever you want. Now, to be more challenging, you might want to try different types of problems, but I'm going to let you decide that. Because remember, you're the teacher. So you're going to practice that. You're going to go ahead, write the problems out, solve them, get that equation. You're going to practice them and practice how you're going to teach it before you teach it to someone else. Now, here's what I want you to do, and we're going to have fun with this. I want you to share a video of you teaching with your teacher. It says with your teacher, so you would share yours with me, or share the work that was taught with the name of your student. So let's reread that. I think I just messed that up for you. It says share a video of you teaching with your teacher, or share the work that was taught with the name of the student. Okay. Here's the important thing. Some of you have cameras on your Chromebooks that just do not work well. That's okay. You can put it on a Google Doc. We'll figure something out. You can show it to me today on Zoom. Don't stress out over that. If you have a microphone that doesn't work, it's okay. If you have a camera that does, show it. You can tell me what you taught. But I don't want this to be stressful. I really want this to be fun. I want you to embrace it, think of something you want to teach, and I want you to do it. Okay, when you're finished with that, guess what? Math is over and you can take a break. So today you're going to continue working like as you have been. Again, I'm very proud of you. I'm going to go ahead and read the next 4 chapters in our Read Aloud, The Tale of Despero. It will be in Google Classroom like it has been. And I will see you today on Zoom at 1 o'clock. I hope you have a great morning.